Hey spice enthusiasts! Today, we're turning up the heat in the kitchen with our spicy Schezwan eggplant. Imagine tender eggplant infused with the bold flavors of Schezwan sauce. It's a fiery veggie delight. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this flavorful journey. Before we ignite those taste buds, let's gather our ingredients. 1 large eggplant. Water as required. Salt as required. 3-4 tablespoons cornstarch. Oil for frying. To make the sauce: 2 tablespoons oil. 1.5 tablespoons chopped garlic. 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. 1-2 slit green chillies. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. 4 tablespoons Schezwan sauce. 1/4 cup water. 1 tablespoon chopped spring onions for garnishing. Cut the eggplant into large chunks and soak in salted water for 20 minutes. While that happens, let's prepare the sauce. Heat oil in a pan and fry the garlic and ginger along with some chilies for a few seconds on high heat. Fry till the garlic just starts to brown and then add the sauces: soy sauce, Schezwan sauce. Fry the sauces for 1 minute, then add some water and reduce to desired consistency. Keep the sauce aside and start with the eggplant again. Drain the water off and then pat dry the cut eggplant. Now toss the eggplant with cornstarch. Deep fry the eggplant in hot oil till golden and crispy. Add the fried eggplant to the sauce and toss well. Finish with some spring onions. And there you have it, your spicy Schezwan eggplant, a fiery veggie delight ready to spice up your meal. If you're ready to add some fire to your dinner, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more spicy inspirations. Enjoy this flavorful journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!